There's lots you can do to keep mosquitoes from swarming your summer. We'll show you how to protect yourself and your yard from these common pests. First, let's determine where they live and when they're most active. Mosquitoes thrive outside, particularly where standing water is present, and depending on the species, they can be active during the day or night, especially at dusk. Since mosquitoes carry viruses like Zika and West Nile, it's important to protect yourself and your family. Repellent comes in many forms, including spray, cream, stick, and clip-on. Natural repellents like oils can also be effective. The CDC recommends using repellent that contains at least 20% DEET and reapplying every few hours for maximum effectiveness. Sprays are affordable and simple to apply, and waterproof wearable repellents are another easy-to-use option. You can also apply certain natural oils to your skin to keep mosquitoes away. Now that we've gone over protection, let's cover treatments. We'll start with your yard. There are a number of ways you can treat dark areas in your yard that attract mosquitoes. Available in sprays and dunks, larvicides eliminate larvae and pupa before they develop. They're used in water, where mosquitoes generally lay their eggs, and will not harm wildlife. Bug zappers attract and kill mosquitoes using a combination of heat and carbon dioxide, and traps lure mosquitoes by replicating the human scent. If you're looking for a natural treatment option, place a few varieties of plants around your home and along walkways. Mixing oils like peppermint, camphor, or citronella with water can also create an effective room spray. Now let's talk about how to prevent mosquitoes from invading your yard. Mosquito candles are great for lawn tables and decks, but are ineffective in windy conditions and shouldn't be used in enclosed spaces. If you want to protect a large area, refillable torches are a great option. Don't overwater your lawn. Keep standing water areas clean, and clear out your gutters regularly. Lastly, it's always best to trim back plants around bodies of water in your yard to help cut down on mosquitoes. Summer may be peak mosquito season, but there's no reason to let these insects bug you. And thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.